What about it?
You can't stay here no more.
No, I live in Atlanta.
I want you to get out of here for a minute.
You want me to?
I need you to go home right now.
You want me to come home?
Yeah.
You miss me?
I want you to find you cat. What?
He doesn't have a cat.
Yes, I do.
No, he doesn't.
Should I get a cat?
Yeah, go get a cat.
You get a cat. As you hear me?
I hear you.
Okay, I want you to come to my house right now.
You want me to come to your house?
Yeah.
Well, I will be there when
I need you.
you need me.
Yeah.
Oh, I love you, Lacey.
I love you.
I miss you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You there?